Right, go on.
What do you say? Angry Grandma. Oh, she don't live here no more, does she? I've been told.
No, she's gone to France.
She got to France. And the big fat nun, I've been told she left too.
Yeah, they've all left. They've got fed up.
Yeah, and the big fat sailor, he's gone. Get here, and the big fat the door left. So what about the big boat? The big boat? I don't know. I think that's gone too. The big boat in the garden, the big bath.
Yeah, the big bath it went.
It's gone. So what you can do about it now? Yeah, what was it? Yeah.
It's not a very not good minor bird. It doesn't do what it's told, does it?
It does. You have been naughty, aren't you? Get some damn carts, you naughty bugger. You can't have any.
Oh, it does. It like something wants a fucking jam tart.
It was a jam tart. What is it? You got to my pudding. Get here, you. You leave that my pudding alone. You sit down on that chair now, be honest.
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Oh, it's silking, isn't it?
What are you silking for? Come here, what are you silking about? Oh, I'm picking on you. You go talk to him.
Hey, what's me? Come here. Hey, get closer. See what it does.
You go talk to him.
No, I don't think he's scared of it. He knows it's a tie, doesn't he? Yeah, go on.
This is my friend, so I call him Mandelbird. He came for something to love to you. He's not Joe. Right. Uh-huh. Go on, Joe. Like that. Hello.
Oh, wow.
He's a good dog. He is, yeah. Want to go for a little ride? Yeah. Oh. He's not moving. Oh, don't worry. He probably tired, so you've got to come back over here to me again.
Yeah, you sit back in the chair. Sit back on that chair.
Yeah. So, come on.
Well, Major won't bother to buy, will he?
What's he eating? He's eating a bit of sausage, sausage roll. Get in, you can't have no sausage roll. You're greedy, you are. You want to eat anything. Yeah, I got a good idea for you. I shook you up, have a bottle of water. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. A bottle of Guinness. A bottle of Guinness. You can't be drinking Guinness tomorrow. She told you to be drinking Guinness.
Shampoo on there, Sally.
Oh, you want a bottle of shampoo?
Yeah, you can spray that on him.
Hold on. Hold on.
That's for dogs.
Yeah, see if it's unlocked, I'll unlock it for
Have
you.
a drink of this.
No,
I got some breath freshener.
Okay.
Here, have some breath freshener.
Yeah, I'm doing that.
Good stuff, that.
Yeah, try it with this. It make my teeth clean. Is that okay? Oh dear, I think that's bad news for you. You got a bad breath now. I'm going to put it down. Yeah. Okay, give me back for good clean out, because you've been toileting up to no good, you say.
Yeah, that's it. What's it been up to, Gary?
I mean, what do you say? You've been seeing that penguin again? You can't be having sex with a penguin.
Probably likes it.
No, he's been in trouble. A penguin has. What do you mean he's been in trouble? Tell me all about it. There were a penguin. He got sent to court. Did he get sent to court? What? He walked in all good. And every time he walked, he left sail with shit. Did he?
Oh, he left a trail of shit.
And what did the judge say? He was not happy about it. And what did he get? Billion. He got life. What was that for? For leaving shit all over the place. Oh dear, Mr. Penguin. So, when you meeting him again? Oh dear. He's not. What was this? You meeting Wurzel? What Wurzel doing there? Oh, he's a judge. I didn't know Wurzel got a job working in a judge. So what did he do? A guy came in for what? He not paid a TV licence. And what happened to him? He got a TV fine. Did he? I didn't know that. You got a TV fine? Oh dear. Oh dear, Mr. Parrot, you can't take you nowhere, can't you? What did you say? You can? No. What did he say? He's behind me. Who behind me? Nobody there, Mr. Parrot.
What kind of foot?
He's quiet. I don't know what he's quiet for. What are you quiet for?
He's watching, Gary.
Have you had too many bananas? You had too many bananas, had you? Oh dear. So, what else are you doing tonight? Oh, you're going to go see your girlfriend, Missy Parrot. I didn't know you got a girlfriend. You can't that quiet. Yeah. What's the matter? Missy Piggy, she was my girlfriend.
Make sure you try it now.
And now Missy Piggy's left.
Uh-huh.
Oh,
I know.
dear. What did he say? Kermit, has he come too? Has he did a running with Miss Piggy? What he sure has. The dirty buggers, so they left you here. And they're getting married and they're not told you. No. Oh dear. No, that's it. You got to get. Have you got his number? No. Oh dear. Never mind. No, you'll be all right.
Gary's looking up there.
Don't cry. You see me again one day. What do you say?
You just like that.
The Duncan Centre's gone. All right, don't worry then. I better let you get going now then, yeah? Let you get going. You okay then, yeah? You'll be all right. Don't get upset. You come back to see me again. I let you get going now. All right then. You have a good night, kid, yeah? And say goodbye.